Hey everyone, Tanya B here and welcome to my channel. I apologize, I am sick, but I did want to get some videos done this weekend so I could post them on my channel and let you guys know what I got. So I am going to be doing the box by Fasionsta today for November 2019. I know everybody got it late. I got mine super late, but I actually got like a different variation item, so I wanted to post that to share that with everybody. So yes, stay tuned if you're new to my channel. My name is Tanya B. I do mainly unboxings, first impressions, empties, and we'll be getting into cooking with Tanya B for the new year. So if that is something that interests you, go ahead and click that subscribe button. The box by Fasionsta is $19.99 a month. It will be going up to $24.99 a month for new members, but you can still lock in that price until the end of the month. I would recommend it. And yes, inside you get a card with all your goodies on it and a total retail value in this box of $136. So just to go through everything, I'm going to do this pretty quick. So I got the CBD Sugar Scrub Bud Naked. Now I did actually open this and try it already. And I liked it. It didn't really smell like much, and it is like a kind of hard sugar scrub, but it exfoliated very well, so I did enjoy that. By Fig and Yarrow, I got the Orange Blossom. Oh, that retailed for $29. The Fig and Yarrow Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water, which is in a nice glass bottle. This was also in glass, and this retails for $34. This is complexion water. I've been addicted to it. I've already used it 10 times, and I've only had it for 3 days. I am a huge fan of lavender, so I absolutely love it. I like the mister, the top. I just feel like I can never get too much of this stuff, so love that. Next up is by Lorella, and this is their Liquid Matte Lipstick. Now, everybody got the lipstick, but the shade was a variation. So I saw a lot of people getting very pale nude shades, which is normally what I wear. So I definitely thought that's what I was going to get, but I did not. I got the shade Brave, and it looks like this. I don't think I saw anybody get a color as dark as me. So go ahead and swatch that. It is like a deep berry shade. I think that would definitely be great for Christmas this time of year, fall, winter. And I am trying to step out of my comfort zone as far as color is concerned. So, yes, excited about that. And that retailed for $10. The Midnight Garden Palette, which everybody got, which retails for $18. It does have a mirror, and those are the shades. I'm really excited to get into this palette. I have not tried it out yet, but definitely excited to give that a try. Some bold colors in there, which I love. And then the last item, which is still a hair serum, but it is by Soleil, and is their Moroccan hair serum. So everybody got, I saw Suva Beauty hair serum, so they did give me a comparable one. It does retail for $45, and it still comes in a really nice glass bottle. So 3 things in glass, which is why this box weighed a ton this month. But I am still really happy with everything that I got. Like I said, I've already tried 2 of the products, and I love them. I'm looking forward to trying the Slippy. I will use everything in this box for $20. You just cannot go wrong with this subscription. I'm looking forward very much to seeing what I'm going to get in my December box. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. Remember to click my bobblehead above and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!